I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Nissan Altima transmission dipstick. Many Nissan Altima models, especially those with a CVT, feature a securely locked transmission dipstick. This design is a safety measure, preventing accidental removal or tampering and ensuring proper fluid maintenance. Don't worry, accessing your transmission fluid for checks is a simple process once you know the correct steps to release the lock. First, locate the transmission dipstick in your engine compartment. It typically has a distinct colored handle, often yellow or red, making it easy to spot. Unlike a standard engine oil dipstick, you'll notice a small tab or clip at the base where it enters the transmission tube. This is the locking mechanism you need to release before you can pull the dipstick out. To unlock the dipstick, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool. Carefully insert the tip of the tool into the small slot or against the tab at the dipstick's base. Gently push or pry the tab to release its hold on the tube. While holding the tab in the release position, pull the dipstick straight up and out. Avoid forcing it to prevent any damage. After checking your fluid, wipe the dipstick clean and reinsert it fully into its tube. Make sure you hear or feel the locking tab click securely into place, indicating it's properly seated. Remember to check your transmission fluid level with the engine running and at operating temperature for an accurate reading. Always consult your owner's manual for specific fluid types and maintenance schedules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.